What are the Voyager spacecraft? Launched by NASA in 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are twin robotic probes designed for humanity's ultimate grand tour of the outer solar system. Taking advantage of a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 175 years, these intrepid explorers used gravitational slingshots to leapfrog from world to world, sending back the first detailed, close-up images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Together, the twin probes fundamentally revolutionized our understanding of deep space. They discovered active volcanoes erupting on Jupiter's moon Io, revealed intricate ring systems and violent atmospheric storms, and uncovered evidence of subsurface oceans hidden beneath frozen planetary crusts. Even though their primary missions ended decades ago, both spacecraft remain active today, powered by decaying plutonium generators. Traveling at over 35,000 miles per hour, they have traveled farther from Earth than any other human-made objects in history. Both probes have officially crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium, marking humanity's very first steps into true interstellar space. Attached to each probe is the famous Golden Record, a gold-plated copper phonograph record carrying greetings in 55 languages, natural sounds of Earth, diverse musical selections, and encoded scientific diagrams. Designed to survive for billions of years in the vacuum of deep space, these records serve as cosmic time capsules, carrying our message to the stars long after Earth is gone.